We love to show off our campus, as we call it. We love to have visitors there because they're usually pretty amazed when they see everything that goes into every ScriptPro installation. And we've talked about robots here, but ScriptPro has a complete end-to-end ambulatory pharmacy solution, complete with robotics and real-time 340B processing. It even has a specialty pharmacy-oriented clinical documentation and case management system that's built into it. And this requires a lot of moving parts at a place like ScriptPro. But going back to your basic question, I mean, if you go there, you'll see we have an installation base where we have trucks and trailers that deliver. Nobody handles ScriptPro equipment but ScriptPro personnel, okay? We load it onto our trucks and trailers for North America, Continental. We put it in sea containers to go overseas, and so our own teams are going to install it. We, of course, are doing development and research on our campus. We have a drug database. We call it our Industry Data Resources team that manages all sorts of things for the industry, drug information, insurance plan information. We have some clinical specialists for specialty pharmacy-oriented projects. We manufacture them there. We train people there, and we send trainers out, and we support them from our call center in Kansas City, and they coordinate with our field service team that works internationally in supporting these systems. So there's a lot going on there, and I love to have people come see. I like to show it off myself.